Exciting news! The iPhone 15 series is here, and it's bringing an awesome new feature with the USB-C. Get ready for this. Apple might allow you to control how much your new iPhone charges. This super cool feature is hinted at in the iOS 17 beta for developers, and it seems like it'll be exclusive to the iPhone 15 series. So, what's the deal? It's super simple. You can set a limit on how much your iPhone charges, which means it won't stay at 100% for too long. This should help your battery last longer over time. Of course, it means you won't use your full battery capacity, but it's perfect if you tend to leave your phone plugged in for hours, like overnight. Normally, iOS gives you a heads up on the lock screen, saying your iPhone will charge all the way up. But with this feature, it'll let you know that it's only going to the level you've set. Now, here's the exciting twist. This isn't the same as those battery-saving features on some Android phones. Those phones like to stay at 80% and top up just before you unplug them. But Apple's taking it up a notch with this new charging control feature.